good and peaceful people them, the powers of evil for contain. Just like how the monk them in a Shanghai temple always have lack the martial arts skills, but they don't use it unless seriously necessary. Now, this is what we are finding out about Rytikal. You notice him in the red? And this show we say Rytikal is a numerological type of value. Is a numerological type of value, both when it comes to the Chaldian and the Pythagorean. Zine go do no research. And his number is the same. Because in the Chaldean, he is 6. And in the Pythagorean, he is 9. And remember, 6 and 9 are the same. You see me? Half dozen are one and 12 are the other. See? Because when you turn the 9 upside down, you get 6. When you turn 6 upside down, you get 9. So a one number, and that's why I had the red. That's why I show you own for read sign. None of this no plan, I just go up on my Microsoft thing there. This is not Google me use. This is a Microsoft sitting there. Microsoft Explorer, you see me? So we find out say the dog have demon powers, but he's have good, and that's why I'm peaceful like the monk them. So the monk, that's why Rytikal is known, and him tell you say he is king in a war. And a joke thing. Don't make him have to prove it. You get what I say? And you see it, him hardly do blood clot gun song. For sure, yo, I want powerful boy this. I'm just a really see it deeper than how I normally see him powers. You see what I say? And him a work with what I say. Cause him see what I say makes sense. Cause him a see my vlog them, me a tag every artist in my YouTube title them. So them a see it. That's why Skillibeng, as my show, Skillibeng make sure tell me in the post where Rick Stam post up with Rytikal a diss me. Skillibeng make sure I say, yo, come off of my name now, man. Like, him a make it clear, say, me been there on him name. Cause him a see everything. You get me? Him friend them, him family, I show him, say, Rytikal, the vlogger boy there, post your name again. Look there, one new video, this him do boy, yo. And them a watch it. Them a watch it for tell back Skillibeng what me a say about him. You get me I say? And I saw it a reach other artists too. But Skillibeng are the only artist who expose himself right now so far that he is tired of hearing and seeing my video and my vlog them. You see me? So look how Rytikal a show say him like what me a do. You get me I say? Because a good way I represent and the truth we a stand for. See? So you go hear that song with what Rytikal a sing say. And this is a clash, this is a clap back or a clap forward, sorry, or a clap back to the this where Skillibeng diss me, Rytikal a defend me in a this. But it's like him a defend himself, because look on it and picture it and pre this. See? Rytikal do a interview with Winford Williams on stage and then post piece of the interview clippings for Instagram. See? Me now as a commenter, comment and says and tag Skillibeng in my comments. Says Skillibeng, you have to make things right with Rytikal and befriend him. You see me go make peace so God can bless you. Cause right now Rytikal I go get one blessing for surpass your level. Zina that me tell Skillibeng on the Rytikal post. I'm interview post or them post on Instagram. Skillibeng now replied and clap forward and clap back saying, hey boy, I got chuck out your mother and say I'm tired for hear me and for cut off, stop call up him name now because I'm tired of it. Basically a way him say. See? So that is almost like a diss to Rytikal too, See? Because me I tell him say, yo, peace and unity with you and Rytikal. And you go tell the man where I tell you say for make peace, they go, suck out your mother. So basically you tell Rytikal say, you don't want no peace. You get me? You're tired to hear them talk there. You don't want no peace. So this is Rytikal replying now with a song. Because this is shocking. Imagine him a promote him song now for 1 month. And out of nowhere from Skillibeng or this me, Rytikal just drop this. Hear what Rytikal are saying at this now. Now hear what he must say.
Them men hollow them a concave and straight when it pastry and never pancake. Contract and share big food that could hold in a no box plate.
Big food that couldn't hold in a no box plate. You hear the song bad and it's just piece of clipping you get. Just piece of preview. You hear the song bad? This is a fucking hit song. Right now a Rytikal for in a mosquito space, the whole heap of hype and over excessive blood knot fake hype where them a produce that for mosquito. Zine, a Rytikal fear get them hype there because him deserving. It wouldn't have been a fake hype. And at this, me tell the people, them say Mosquito is just overrated by mainstream. The devils them in a mainstream. And a Corey had caused it too, you know. Because at the time, Corey had look for somebody to be a next cartel, and he saw fit that being Mosquito. And enough Jamaicans saw the same thing through Mosquito. See, in Jamaica always look for your next cartel. That's why them run with the Idonia. Because them say Idonia go be the next cartel. And that is with Jamaican haters, the Gaza haters. They hate the original, but them love every other photocopier, every other phototype of the real original them like. But them not like the original. I got to be true to myself. Uno a pagan. Anybody where hate cartel, them a pagan, them a evil. Cause them love Donia, and Donia is following in the footstep of Vibes Cartel when Idonia just a forward in the game. Seeing that right now we see say Idonia give up. But kind of 2011 when Cartel go prison, Idonia say, oh, him cock up him foot on ER and I tell Anthony Miller say, oh, him a go run the place and no one. Ray like, oh, Cartel the prison and Ray ma take over and him get the place and him a get the chance and now. So him a say, and him couldn't do it, him fail. You get me? And then when you say them thing, you know, them are going to say, yeah, bad mind, Donia, Diddy, the Jamaican Diddy. You get me? I say? That them are going to say, my bad mind. See? And I would just weak, them fans weak, and them artists them weak. See? So, big up to Rytikal, because, you see, Rytikal, may I show you, I'm going to point out the lyrics them way must say. See? Because you must say bigger food, in basically I work with me tell Skillibeng, say, yo, God ready for bless Rytikal. I got me saying in the comment, and you hear Rytikal talk about God and all at the time now, which is that match to everything what me saying in the comment and everything what me have vlog about. As some know Rytikal, respect what me I say, respect the vlog them, and you get me I say, yeah man, and I support the thing because the energy connect, seeing it's a line.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England.
This is my page, and the first post here you seeing. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. It's Leprosy. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Game little bird can't tame some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, lesbially, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough alive, bad. Yeah. Gaza. Hey! Yeah, my people, yo. May I tell you, the universe attack and Rytikal make the walk. Him see what go on, cause we are help him for trod on the right path. right? In accordance with the universe, God, and goodness and graciousness. You see my point to God? Every sign and every wonders. See there the wonders of the world, he must show you. The signs of the world, he must point to God. Watch the sign of people. Rytikal. I never really check out him name, you know. We have to go look for see what him name mean. Zine? I'm not sure if I go touch that you know because well on, let me see if I can find out what the name Rytikal mean. It may have whole heap of meaning and it may mean something to him that differs from what we have stumbled upon here. But we're gonna try to spell it a different way. Rytikal. We're not spell it like theme name. Definition. What does Rytikal means? Yes, we could click on this. See what Rytikal mean and shown. Definition for Rytikal. The dictionary definition page includes all the possible meaning, example, usage, and translation of the word Rytikal. Alright, so nearby and related entry. Alright, the numerical value of Rytikal in Chaldian numerology is 6. Bumbleclad. Pythagorean numerology, the numerical value of Rytikal in Pythagorean numerology is 9. Bumbleclad powers the dog have satanic powers. But you notice Rytikal a good youth, don't make him unleash him evil powers because him a contain it. And guess what? God always give the most responsible and most mature and most good and peaceful people them the powers of evil for contain. Just like how the monk them in a Shanghai temple always have lack the martial arts skills, but they don't use it unless seriously necessary. Now, this is what we are finding out about Rytikal. You notice him in the red, and this is show we say Rytikal is a numerological type of value. Is a numerological type of value, both when it comes to the Chaldean and the Pythagorean. Zine go do no research, and his number is the same, because in the Chaldean he is 6, and in the Pythagorean he is 9. And remember, 6 and 9 are the same. You see me? Half dozen are one and 12 are the other. See? Because when you turn the 9 upside down, you get 6. When you turn 6 upside down, you get 9. So a one number, and that's why I mean I had the red. That's why I show you own for read sign. None of this no plan, you know. I just go up on my Microsoft thing there. This is not Google me use. This is a Microsoft sitting there. Microsoft Explorer, you see me? So we find out say the dog have demon powers, but he's of good, and that's why I'm peaceful like the monk them. So the monk, that's why Rytikal is known, and him tell you, say he is king in a war. And a joke thing. Don't make him have to prove it. You get what I say? And you see it, him hardly do blood clot gun song. For sure, yo, I want powerful boy this. I'm just a really see it deeper than how I normally see him powers. You see what I say? And him a work with what I say. Cause him see what I say makes sense. Cause him a see my vlog them, me a tag every artist in my YouTube title them. So them a see it. That's why Skillibeng, as me show no, Skillibeng make sure tell me in the post where Rick Stam post up with Rytikal at this me. Skillibeng make sure I say, yo, come off of my name now, man. Like, him a make it clear, say, me been there on him name. Cause him a see everything. You get me? Him friend them, him family, I show him, say, Rytikal, the vlogger boy there, post your name again. Look there, one new video, this him do boy, yo. And them a watch it. Them a watch it for tell back Skillibeng what me a say about him. You get me I say? And I saw it a reach other artists too. But Skillibeng are the only artist who expose himself right now so far that he is tired of hearing and seeing my video and my vlog them. You see me? So look how Rytikal a show say him like what me I do. You get what me I say? Because a good way I represent and the truth we I stand for. See? So you gotta hear that song with what Rytikal a sing say. And this is a clash, this is a clap back or a clap forward, sorry, or a clap back to the this where Skillibeng diss me, Rytikal a defend me in a this. But it's like him a defend himself, you know, because look on it and picture it and pre this. See? Rytikal do a interview with Winford Williams on stage and then post piece of the interview clippings on Instagram. Then me now as a commenter comment and says and tag Skillibeng in my comments says Skillibeng, you have to make things right with Rytikal and befriend him. You see me go make peace so God can bless you, cause right now Rytikal I go get one blessing for surpass your level. Zina that me tell Skillibeng pan the Rytikal post. I'm interview post or them post on Instagram. Skillibeng now replied and clap forward and clap back saying, "Hey boy, I got chuck out your mother and say I'm tired for hear me and for stop call up him name now cause I'm tired of it." Basically away him say. Zin? So that is almost like a diss to Rytikal too, you know. Zin, because me I tell him say, yo, peace and unity with you and Rytikal. And you go tell the man where I tell you say for make peace, say go suck out your mother. So basically you tell Rytikal say you don't want no peace. You get me? You're tired to hear them talk there. You don't want no peace. So this is Rytikal replying now with a song here. Because this is shocking. Imagine him a promote him song now for 1 month. And out of nowhere from Skillibeng or this me, Rytikal just drop this. Hear what Rytikal are saying at this now. Now hear what he must say.
Them men's hollow, them a concave and straight. When it pastry and never pancake. Contract, handshake, big food that could do all in a no box plate.
Big food that couldn't hold in on a box plate. You hear the song bad, and it's just piece of clipping you get. Just piece of preview. You hear the song bad? This is a fucking hit song. Right now, a Rytikal for them in a mosquito space, you know. The whole heap of hype and over excessive blood knot fake hype where them a produce for mosquito. Zin, a Rytikal for get them hype there because him deserving. It won't have been a fake hype. And at this, me tell the people them say mosquito is just overrated by mainstream. The devils them in a mainstream. And a Coritad cause it too, you know. Because at the time Coritad look for somebody for be a next cartel and he saw fit that being mosquito. And enough Jamaicans saw the same thing through mosquito. In Jamaica always look for your next cartel. That's why them run with the Idonia. Because them say Idonia go be the next cartel. And that is what Jamaican haters, the Gaza haters, they hate the original, but them love every other photocopier, every other photo type of the real original, them like, but them not like the original. I got to be true to myself. Uno a pagan. Anybody where hate cartel, them a pagan, them a evil. Cause them love Duonia, and Duonia is following in the footstep of Vibes Cartel when Idonia just a forward in the game. Zin that right now we see say Idonia give up. But kind of 2011 when Cartel go prison, Idonia say, oh, him cock up him foot on ER and I tell Anthony Miller say, oh, him a go run the place and no one. Ray like, oh, Cartel the prison and Ray ma take over and him get the place and him a get the chance and all. So him a say, and him couldn't do it, him fail. You get me? And then when you say them thing, you know, them are going to say, yeah, bad mind, Duonia, Diddy, the Jamaican Diddy. You get me? I say? That them are going to say, my bad mind. See? And I would just weak, them fans weak and them artists them weak. See? So, big up to Rytikal, because you see Rytikal, may I show you, I'm going to point out the lyrics them way must say. See? Because you must say bigger food, in basically I work with what me tell Skillibeng, say, yo, God ready for bless Rytikal. I got me saying in the comment, and you hear Rytikal talk about God and all at the time now, which is that match to everything what me saying in the comment and everything what me have vlog about. As some know Rytikal, respect what me I say, respect the vlog them, and you get me I say, yeah man, I support the thing because the energy connect. Zine, it's a line. The universe a work, the universe a talk, and Rytikal make the walk. Cause see it here?
Landscape, take off like jam plane. Nothing couldn't fall even country. Still a be driver, let me know the panic as we contest. Nothing me no see, go check it pamphlet.
See, the man say contest. Nothing me no see. Nothing him no see for contest. And I may show you say him and Skillibeng, them are arch enemy. Zine, but him a show you say Rytikal show you say Skillibeng not upon him level. And I true because guess what? Just like how mosquito have a bag of hype. I same way Skillibeng have a bag of hype because of the same crocodile teeth. Any Rytikal for go write a crocodile teeth type of hype, type of big song for himself. Plus, one next song where as powerful as Brick Pan Brick. And see if him not pass Skillibeng. Him a pass Skillibeng because him contain more powers. Him is a better artist than Skillibeng. But him just need to find two big international favorable songs. Zine, because once you do that, mainstream are gonna start love you. Because of that with mainstream and the devil, them, them fake, them love the people who are do it, but them don't love the people who not do it. And there's a thin line. Remember me been telling about the artists them who not do it, when mainstream people them love up and a push forward. Zine, but it's not necessarily the artists them love. It's when it comes to the smaller artists, it's not the artists these mainstream devil love. It's the people who are affiliated with these young artists. Like when I talk about Thealo Lanes, Thealo Lanes, go check out that young artist there. Mainstream them just a push him in everybody's face, car that boy they connected to somebody big who have some attachment to some devil people in the mainstream industry where push Thealo Lanes. And them can't bust him, because them are building fan base, because them are put him on every little interview in every little spot and media and spotlight them are put him. So obviously people are gonna see him and people are gonna continue support him, be a new people. And this is what the mainstream devil them do for push them young artists when meet the what the term? I just have it on my lip, on my tongue. Isn't it? You have to meet the fuck. Shoot, like the artists them were basically a struggle for boss. Zane, like Thealo Lanes, cause the mainstream have him put him on the forefront for about 3-4 years now. Zane, and him song them just find a big hit song there. Because them will find some song where people like, but if you not find a big bossing song there for bossy and give a big break, then you're just not worthy. A mainstream devil them skip around a lot of potentially great artists who will find the song them we can boss, but because people now look on them, and as I show you have song we release where will boss a big hit song them, but because people not really see them yet, why them not boss? I'm showing us Europe, Richie Spice, them artists there, as artists where we know we put out song, and the people them sleep on it, shit on it until a year later or so, when them finally respect it and give it the go and it bust the place. And people have to say, wait, then them never listen Europe song and I make it bust long time and the man release it long time. Or them not do it for Richie Spice. When him say black like a tire, a long time that song they out there until it really bust. Sometimes the song have to grow up on people. Sometimes it have to reach the right ears them too. And we know we have to go make a video about that. But right now let's keep it about Rytikal. Zine, make you listen more of my lyrics.
Them meds hollow, them a concave. Hand straight, when it pastry and never pancake.
Handtail,
Contract, handshake, big foot.
Top tier the song name. You know what that? Top tier. Me use that term the wadi and I want to vlog them too, I'll ban the title. So him definitely a work with what me I say. And see him shirt I say believe the diamonds in him shirt. And it I say everything must be possible or working something. When him shirt say we need to find out when him shirt say. Make us see if we can
Could the wall in a no box plate. Big plans
everything something soon. Hold on, I can see if I can make out this on him shirt. Be my guide. Everything. Like must say God for be him everything and him guide or something.
like jump.
Everything imagine will be what? Yo, everything him imagine will be something reality. Yes, so anything in our imagination will forward to reality. Basically, at that him must say. So anything him imagine will forward to fruition. Him will achieve in reality. At that him basically I say. We not have to see it. At that him I say. Anything him imagine will forward to reality and him will receive it. You see me?
Couldn't follow them country. Still have a driver, let me know the panic. Cause we a contest. Nothing me no see go check it pamphlet. Them meds hollow, them a concave. Hand straight.
The meds allo him a this Skillibeng. Because people know us from Rytikal stop right for Skillibeng. Skillibeng mine hollow. No words no in there. It's like an empty barrel and you beat it, it make the most nice. You get what I say? That's why him sang about wap 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 and from there so him lose it. From the coke, alright, you say the coke song, playing land with the coke, that are the first song Skillibeng try write for himself. You see me? That are when Rytikal stop right theme. See, because Jazzwad did come tell upon him radio show, him interview. See, Jazzwad, because he must pay Skillibeng for do some work with him. And Skillibeng and Rytikal, they are linked, and the two of them show up at Jazzword studio. And Rytikal him say write the song for Skillibeng and him studio. And the man talk about it. We not make up nothing. We just are the messenger. You get me I say? So Skillibeng first song, with Skillibeng when Rytikal stop write for thing there, you know, cause I think Torpedo are the last are the big song them where Rytikal write for Skillibeng. See? And then that's why Skillibeng get a hype off of the plane crash with the coke. You notice that song they don't really have the same life form and energy, life source in it, like him rest a prior song them before that Rytikal did write theme was so powerful. See? Because Skillibeng used the hype with the plane and go down the fast or shoot music video and write up something where him brain realize was sounding similar to what him knew Rytikal would have write for him. See, so that's how Skillibeng start try for himself. And we have to rate him for that because we are good people. I remember I say Skillibeng say Gaza and we are Gaza too. So I'm not diss him because I show you that in my last video saying the same comment when I tell Skillibeng say go friend up Rytikal and make things right so God can work for you on the good side of the universe. See? And him go diss me. And a man forward in the reply section, the comment section, and say, hey, Leprosy, I go really make Skillibeng diss you about your mother. I'm going to say, no, man. Make him go on because of Gaza him said to we're not there for this Skillibeng, you see me? Because of Gaza him said we're not really there for tear him down, but we want to see him dep on the good side, because now him dep on the evil side with Alkaline. Not true, you see him with Cartel and him have give Cartel him props. Him still left on the evil line. You see me? Yeah, but him is not as bad and as evil as certain people. Because there's level to evilness as well as with goodness. You get me? Him can do more good and he should be doing more good. Just like Popcaan, them are the east side. Just like Chronic Law. Look at all the three east side man them. Look at their fault and their failures, right? Yes, them have money. Yes, them have the fame. The three east side man them. Chronic Law, Skillibeng and Popcaan. Zimbo, everybody knows that Popcaan shady with the porn thing, because him have the corn thing according to him name. I remember say corn is the term them use to replace porn on the social media platform them, because the word porn can't type in a certain platform media space. So you have to use corn for replace it. Right? Alright. I remember say Popcaan this squash. Or a squash boss Chronic Law. And Chronic Law never loyal to the man who boss him. Him stay on Popcaan side. Because obviously through a money, Popcaan have the money, have the bigger opportunity. So Chronic Law, when him should have remain humble and steadfast and loyal to squash, him itch up with Popcaan and we not rate that. Zin, you have to loyal to the man who boss you. You get me I say? Not to who have the more money. We not run down money and them thing there. And that's why Cartel so successful. Because never money him a run down. Him, Cartel the Ungle artist advice 5 songs per one rhythm from the early 2000s. So the man deserve him wealth. And him do that like 10 times or 2,000 times. You get me I say? Now the artists not put in them work ethic there and them work and them effort there. So Cartel deserve it. So Chronic Law, him switch up on him boss will boss him. For Popcaan will have more money. And you don't come tell me about true Popcaan forward from down at your place. Because that now have nothing, that is now a valid reason for you to take side with Popcaan over the youth to boss you. Because Popcaan never boss you. Yes, him forward from your same place. Why him never boss you? Why you never got to him for help then? Since you got talk about, nah, I have to switch from Squatch to Popcaan, I'm a native. That's how forward from. Fuck that. You're a switchy, fat ass MFK or Chronic Law. You get me I say? And then look on the third one, Skillibeng. I don't tell you about him. You see me, him get jealous and Rytikal never diss him. The only reason why Skillibeng start betray Rytikal because people go find out say Rytikal write song for him. Him getting him feeling and start deal with Rytikal like an enemy. Me have friends who deal with Mr. too. We just deal with me for enemy because probably through them girl no like what I said to her. You get what me I say? Because me I tell my virgin girl say she forgot give him some pussy. And my brethren make him girl come to him and say, if you stop par with Leprosy because he dissed me, he told me that I should come give you some pussy. And then my brethren vex with me and start. And him girl now left him, you know. Him girl left him and hate me. As him brethren used to go everywhere, up and down and defend him from everybody. That's why I'm there by myself now. I'm like that. You get me I say? Because I now use my energy got dead for some bumble who not even lift a finger for me. I don't want nobody dead for me. But I don't even want nobody defend me. You get me I say? But I can defend myself. I'm not afraid for dead. Because Kono Mama, big up Rytikal. Make you listen to him song more.
When it pastry and never pancake. Contract, handshake, big food that could do all in a no box plate. Big plans, landscape, take off like damn plane. Nothing couldn't fall a even country.
None couldn't follow even on train. Remember me tell you bad. Him this up Skillibeng, man. A Skillibeng him a send message for. And if we get so many message from him and subliminals in a like a short piece of clip here for Skillibeng, imagine the full song. We can't wait till this drop. It a go start a beef with him and Skillibeng, and that would they try for avoid. Zine? Because we are push pace and Skillibeng forward with war. Now him a go see the king in a war deal with him and get the blessing we gotta bring him. What me a telling about. Zine? Remember me telling you say killer sick, you know, and a drink and a smoke for Gallivant and Pala and gill off the piece for burn the people them where I show him say yo him forget well, you know. Zine him a rebel against the people them who want to see him get well. What a idiot. Watch out.
We drive all me know the panic cause we a contest. Nothing me no see go check it pamphlet. Them men hollow them a can give. And straight when it pastry and never pancake.
Yeah, alright. When you check Rytikal, him and Skillibeng sound alike from the beginning, you know, Zane. And we know say Rytikal are the real man. Cause when Rytikal go do King in a War, everybody in the comments say, yo, are the youth are right for Skillibeng, are the youth are right for Skillibeng. And that's how Skillibeng start get jealous. But then more and more people start find out. And then I saw Skillibeng start envy Rytikal, Zin. But Rytikal, him voice more solid with the flow too than Skillibeng. Him voice can project higher than Skillibeng. Him voice can hold better vocals, notes, aerial, and melodies than Skillibeng. Skillibeng don't have the brain to like what Rytikal have. Rytikal have the brain for can find melodies, flows, and keys and all type of sound. Skillibeng only stuck in a that one sound with the mind because music is a thing where you have to learn to use your voice for enhance the sound where you get from your mind, because all of them sound there and style and flow forward from the mind. And I see him with Mosquito too. Mosquito in mind slow, because if his mind was very advanced, right, and up to the time, him would have be able to think up of a lot of flows. But him so fool, slow and stubborn, him fail for understand music. And that's why I get radio play from 2010 and can't bust till this day good internationally neither. You see me? Him couldn't bust by himself. I can't tell her for bust him. You see me I say? That's the thing there. DJ Sunshine bust him with the hardball song. If she never sat him down and rewrite that, him would have flop up to this day. And when I'm ungrateful enough to rate the Gaza, when I'm ungrateful, dirty dog, I'm dirty pudding. You shouldn't do it. You know you shouldn't. Yo.
Contract, handshake, big food that could do all in a no box plate. Big plans, landscape, take off like damn plane. Nothing couldn't fall a even country.
Big food, pantry. Bamba clot. Top tier. Big song. You go hear Massacre Thief, the man style, and come that song named Top Tier. Watch and see. The universe just reveal that to me. You know, either video from Mosquito, you don't make him see it. Because him a go hear Rytikal with that song and say, boy, I love that song there. And watch and see. Give Mosquito about 3 months the most. Within the 3 months, him a go forward with a song named Top Tier. On him album. When it drop, for sure too, it had upon him album. Then, if him not do it in a 3 months time, wait till him drop him album. Him a go have a song upon him album named Top Tier. And that's how him thief it from. Because if you know your past, you're gonna know the future. And we know say Mosquito are thief, so we can easily predict him future. That is how you have prophets, you know. Them pay attention, them observant, them more observative, them more knowledgeable, recognizes things, will fly over people daily. And that is how them notice things and can say, yo, it happen again. People no look for that happen, it happen again. And so me know certain things. Know your past, study the time. You see me? Cartel say, up to the time.
Follow me know the panic cause we a contest. Nothing me no see go check it pamphlet. Them men hollow them a can give. And straight when it pastry and never pancake.
Top tier.
Contract, handshake, big food.
Top tier. Yeah, we are done it here. So big up yourself in a Rytikal. East side, whole of east side. Cause we are get some strength and whole heap of comment from the east side people. Man. And that's my mother side of family forward from. And I was taken care of by a lot of Saint Thomasian when I was a boy. Cause me a part Saint Thomasian, you know. And then my mother and our side of family forward from my grandmother. You get me? I say my mother, father, my grandfather. You see me? So when me a baby, a whole heap of time I spend in a St. Thomas with my grandmother, Miss Alma. And me have other grandfather, other grandmother. You see me? Grand-aunt and them thing, the grand-uncle and them thing there. You see me? My father's side of family forward from St. Mary. You see me? So St. Mary people now have to look out for me too. I'm look out for you, because that's the whole of my father forward from and them people them. See it? But my father and mother meet here in Kingston and I was born in Kingston. So me a part St. Mary with part St. Thomas and Kingston forward together. You can never have a more powerful combination than that. You see what me I say? Me a part St. Mary, that a strong maroon spirit, you know. Me a part St. Thomasian, that a strong obia voodoo, nanny blood clot, black magic, X's and dark witches powers, you know, that like Rytikal 6-9 powers, you know. Zine, our Jamal 3-9 powers, you know, our Cartel Daddy Devil powers, you know, our Tommy Lee Uncle Demon powers, you know. Me have the wall of them. Get what me I say? And then me have Kingston, which a God blood clot parish this. And yes, so Jesus thing they can remember, you know, if Jesus was for born in a nowadays time in a Kingston, you know, a Tivoli Garden, Jesus would have run with Dodos and them man, them would have par with, you know, the baddest among them. You know that? So a Kingston, me get the God power from. You see me? And yes, so Rasta really strong and burn fire from day one. No country Rasta no bonfire like town Rasta. The country Rasta them come a town, come learn for bonfire from morning. You see me? Because yes, so a God place, Kingston. You see me? And we teach the rest of place them about business and a lot of the new word and terminology them from day one. Because yes, so most business established over the day, from day one. So it is inevitable for town people to be brilliant minds from day one. It was inevitable. It had to be, because we had the more businesses established here. And from you deal with business, you deal with interaction on a professional level, communicational skills and them. You get me I say? And a bush people. Yeah, but we still have to have the bush in a way. You see me I say? Yeah. So we got anything so.